From BCI Forex, this is Tim. We're going to take a look at EURUSD for the week of June 13th. We're taking a look at the daily time frame. As you can see here, we got a price rejection at the resistance line around the 107.70 area. We also broke support all within the same week. So I'm looking at, if you would have played this scenario out, you would have waited for this range to get broken, which it finally did, down to the downside. And the best possible scenario you could have did was wait for a break, which you did on this daily candlestick, a retest, sold at the retest line, and you would have made over 100 plus pips profit on this one, on this pair. So right now we're going to take a look and see what's the next possible scenario that we can take advantage of in this EURUSD pair. So as I'm looking at this chart, again, a daily time frame, I'm noticing that it's coming up on another support. So this support could be very important because the last time it was here, as you can see, it made a lot of noise over here. It was there for days, several days, and it never broke that support until finally it did here, and it shot right back up. But that, as you can see, it played around that support line. So it's coming up on that again. Now there's a chance that it could break the support a little easier than it did around this time. The reason why is because if I go back to my dollar chart, I noticed that the dollar is coming up on resistance and hasn't gotten there yet. It looks like it's going to get there no matter what. The way how aggressive it's moving is probably going to get there. So the question is not that is it going to get there? It's what happens when it gets there. Is it going to get there and do a nice rejection to the downside, or is it going to break above this resistance line, retest, and continue to keep going up? So since it hasn't gotten there yet, I'm pretty much thinking that this is not done moving down. So my scenario is here is, like I said, you could buy here at this support line and play this range out right here. This entire range, you can play it out, or you can wait for a retest, a breakthrough, then a retest, and then continue to keep selling. So my scenario is I'd rather play it safe. Like I said, this is a seller's market, and I'd rather play it safe and actually look at this support line here. So this is support line. So if I'm even thinking about buying, I'm probably not going to buy until it gets down to this area. Right now it's going to be all sales for this market. If you zoom out, you can take a look. Again, this is the daily time frame. You can see that we're moving down. It's just been moving down for a while now. So for months it's been moving down. So we're definitely in a downtrend. So with this scenario is, again, I would be looking for a break of the support, a retest, and then shooting down here. And if you don't feel comfortable doing something like that, then I will wait for it to get down to this area where this is probably a better buying area, and pretty much take it up and continue to trail it. You can trail it all the way up if you think it. Again, you have to pay attention to the dollar time frame to see how this is playing out, but that's how you should play this particular area, this particular chart.
Want to follow us on all of our trades? Go to bciforex.com. On the home page, you'll see the sign up button. And if you scroll down to the bottom, we have a contact form where you can submit any of your questions to us. Also, if you don't know anything about Forex, at the top, you'll see the Getting Started, where we help walk you through on how to get started with Forex. We have step 1 where you have to download all these apps, and also step 2 on the brokers we recommend. We have videos attached to all these steps to help walk you through it.